SEM. With the digital marketplace becoming highly competitive, businesses should consider search engine marketing, SEM. More businesses are being launched every day and they are all eyeing the same consumers. Therefore, it is crucial to advertise online using SEM to promote your brand. Keywords make the foundation of SEM. This form of online marketing provides advertisers with an opportunity to put their ads on search engine results pages. It is also important to consider the keyword and account structure. This can help you to attain high levels of click-through rates. Online PR. It involves securing online coverage in blog sites, digital publications, and other content-related sites. Online PR simply works like the traditional PR, only that it is done online. Some of the effective channels that you can use include engaging reviewers. This means that you engage all the reviews left by clients. This helps to humanize your company. Besides that, it helps to build your brand reputation. Do not focus on positive reviews only. This is because negative reviews are also important for the growth of your brand. Connecting with the press via social media. Make sure that you form a solid relationship with journalists via social sites. This way, you can easily earn press opportunities for your brand. Responding to comments. Make sure that you respond to people who leave comments on your blog or website. This helps the target audience to know that you read through their views and that you are approachable. Overall, engaging comments helps to generate productive and positive conversations surrounding your brand. Marketing automation. It involves the use of software to automate various marketing operations of your brand. Note that many scheduling social media posts. The best way to grow your brand is by posting frequently at specific times. However, manual posting in this case can be a tiresome process. By automating this process, your social accounts can be posting specific content during certain periods. This means that you will have more time to focus on strategizing about new content. Email newsletters. Email automation allows you to send emails to members in your subscription list automatically. Besides that, it also allows you to effectively expand or reduce your email list as required. This means that your newsletters will only get delivered to those persons who want them. Analyzing campaign insights. Once you release a campaign, it is important to analyze different metrics. This is how you will know if you have attained your marketing goals. Besides that, tracking also helps to facilitate a few tweaks and keep track of the progress over time. Lead nurturing workflows. It is not easy to generate new leads and convert them into new clients. However, you can easily automate this process by simply sending emails that are lead-specific. Alternatively, you can also automate content that is lead-specific in order to nurture more leads. Without marketing automation, your campaigns will simply look incomplete. Marketing automation, therefore, forms an integral part of the digital campaign. The automation software helps to automate various workflows and marketing tasks. It also helps to measure the return of investment and results of digital campaigns. In the end, you will get better revenue faster. Note, if marketing automation is used effectively, you will gain the much-needed marketing insights into processes and programs that are working with your brand. You will also know what is not working and those that need a few tweaks. All these metrics will help you to confidently talk about your products or services. SMM means social media marketing. It circumflexes the most used and one of the latest forms of internet marketing. There is no doubt that social media has changed the way we do business. Marketers can now promote their products or services online. Besides that, social media channels help to drive traffic and increase brand awareness. Research shows that these platforms are great tools for generating more business leads. The best social platforms for SMM include Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Snapchat. It circumflexes possible for a brand to have accounts on multiple platforms. The best thing about technology is that there are tools that you can use to manage all the accounts. For instance, you can link Twitter and Instagram, Facebook and LinkedIn, etc. It therefore becomes very easy to post and schedule the release of content on multiple platforms at once. In addition to that, it becomes convenient to monitor the analytics and determine the sites that generate more leads. PPC simply means pay-per-click. It circumflexes a type of online marketing that involves paying a publisher each time your ad gets clicked. Google Ads is a good example of the best PPC. As a marketer, you will have to pay for the top position on Google's search engine results pages depending on links per click that you place. Other forms of PPC include LinkedIn circumflexes sponsored messages. A LinkedIn user pays in order to send a direct message to a specific LinkedIn user. This is usually based on the targeted user circumflexes background and the industry they are in. Twitter ads campaign. Twitter users pay in order to place profile badges or posts on the timeline of a specific audience. This could be with an aim to increase brand awareness, generate more leads, gain more followers, and others. Facebook circumflexes paid ads. Facebook allows you to pay for a customized slideshow, image, or video. The customized content will then get published to the newsfeed of Facebook users who match your target audience.